Welcome back. We are now going to come to the Camtasia trial and we're going to download the Windows application. We are now going to open the application that we downloaded. We're going to walk through the installation process. Now when you click the Options tab on installation, you'll need to check the options that are going to be available. For example, if you want the destination folder to be the one defaulted by Camtasia, you can leave it, or you can allow the destination folder to be someplace else. You can choose to start Camtasia Studio right after the installation, or you can toggle it off. You can create a shortcut to Camtasia 2021, or you can toggle it off. You can install a default library of assets, or you can toggle this off. And you can choose to enable Camtasia add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can toggle it off. We're now going to click Continue. There are specific license terms to Camtasia Studio. You're going to want to click the license terms. And you do want to familiarize yourself with the end-user license as well as the terms of service. Once you've read through the terms of service to your satisfaction, you can close it. You can then click the Install button. And TechSmith will begin the installation process. Once the installation has completed, you can then click Finish. Now typically you are going to have to restart your personal computer in order for the changes to take place and to have the most recent version of Camtasia fully installed. So we're going to stop the video here and we're going to continue with the installation. And once Camtasia is installed, you should see the Get Started window. And you will then be able to begin using Camtasia Studio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.